Number 1.
1976 GMC 1500, price $6,750, clean and solid driving classic pickup equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. Finished in gold with its mostly original paint showing some natural patina, the truck maintains its authentic character while remaining presentable and well kept. The interior is all original, preserving its vintage appeal. This truck has been thoughtfully updated and maintained, featuring new RMS headlights, a new windshield, and tinted windows all around, including the windshield, for a sleek, cohesive look. It is also fitted with Summit headers and Flowmaster mufflers, giving it an enhanced sound and performance presence. The Rochester carburetor has been professionally rebuilt, ensuring reliable operation, and new door gaskets have been installed for improved sealing and comfort. Overall, this 1976 GMC 1500 presents as a respectable, well-running classic that blends originality with tasteful upgrades.
Number 2.
1976 Ford Ranger, price $9,990, classic and practical compact pickup that continues to get the job done. This model has 178,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a dependable V6 gasoline engine. Finished in a clean red exterior with a gray interior, it presents a simple yet timeless look that still turns heads. Powered by a strong and reliable V6, this Ranger offers smooth performance for everyday driving. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in park, while still being capable enough for light hauling and weekend projects. The truck also comes with a tonneau cover, helping keep the bed clean, secure, and protected from the elements. For its age, it runs and drives very well, reflecting the durability these older Rangers are known for.
Number 3.
1986 Ford F250, price $10,000, offered in excellent overall condition with just 149,000 original miles. Finished in a classic blue exterior, this well-maintained 4x4 pickup is powered by the dependable 6.9L IDI diesel engine, paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission that delivers a strong, reliable, and engaging driving experience. It rides on brand new 10-ply tires, further enhancing its durability and road readiness. Everything on the truck is reported to be in proper working order, and it runs and drives exceptionally well for its age. The interior has been carefully preserved and remains impressively clean, truly giving the feeling of stepping into a time capsule. With its low mileage, solid maintenance history, and classic diesel reliability, this F250 stands out as a well-kept and increasingly desirable vintage heavy-duty pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 4.
1961 International C120, price $10,000, powered by a dependable 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. This truck delivers an authentic driving experience true to its era. It comes finished in green with a gray interior, a combination that complements its classic styling and rugged presence. This International C120 runs and drives well, making it a solid candidate for continued use, restoration, or collection. The truck is reported to be in great overall condition and has not been rusted out, which is a significant advantage for a vehicle of its age. Its sturdy 4x4 drivetrain further enhances its practicality and capability, whether for light off-road use or as a standout vintage cruiser. Please note that the vehicle is being sold with a bill of sale only, as there is no title available.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, powered by a 7.4L 454 big block engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 100,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in white with a well-maintained interior, this gasoline-powered truck remains a solid choice for OBS enthusiasts. This truck delivers a smooth ride and excellent towing capability, making it both dependable and comfortable for daily driving or hauling needs. It comes equipped with power locks, power seats, and power side mirrors, while manual windows are currently installed. The seats are still in very good condition, and both the air conditioning and heater function perfectly. In addition, it is fitted with trailer brakes, further enhancing its towing performance and overall utility.
Number 6.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,295, well-maintained classic compact pickup with 189,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a strong 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance as it runs, drives, and shifts very well. Finished in blue with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered truck has earned antique status and remains a very desirable example for its age. The body is very straight, and the paint remains in overall good condition with only light fading. The tires are in good shape, providing confident road handling. The air conditioning needs attention, as it was working properly up until 3 weeks ago, While the heater functions perfectly, this Ranger offers plenty of power and maintains a sharp, classic appearance. It features a full bedliner and chrome bed rails, making it both practical and stylish.
Number 7.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and is finished in a tan exterior complemented by a brown interior. Powered by a 350 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this C10 has been enhanced with several updates, including new wheels and tires that improve both stance and road grip, along with a new front bumper that refreshes its exterior appearance.
The suspension has been improved with new rear shocks.
It runs and drives well, making it a solid option for cruising or weekend use. Performance and sound are elevated by a Flowmaster dual exhaust system, giving the truck a deep, aggressive tone. An aftermarket steering wheel adds a custom touch to the cabin, while several motor bolt-on upgrades further enhance its overall performance and character.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet S10, price $4,300, showing 156,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white, it has a clean and classic appearance that still looks good for its age. This truck was previously part of a fleet, suggesting it benefited from consistent maintenance and scheduled servicing throughout its working life. It runs and drives well, making it a solid option for daily use, light-duty work, or as a practical project truck. The interior has been well kept, reflecting careful ownership, and the exterior paint remains in nice condition for an older vehicle. With a clean title and a reputation for reliability, this S10 stands out as a straightforward, honest truck that is ready to continue serving its next own.
Number 9. 1988 Jeep Comanche, price $4,000, solid and dependable classic pickup showing 195,000 miles. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain, offering capable performance both on and off the road. Finished in white, the truck maintains a clean and classic appearance that suits its rugged character. It runs strong and drives great, demonstrating reliable mechanical condition. The interior remains in pretty nice shape for its age, reflecting careful use over the years. While it does need some minor TLC, it presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking for a practical vintage truck with character and capability.
The title is in hand, making the sale straightforward and hassle-free for its next owner.
Number 10.
1962 Ford F100, price $7,999, classic pickup presented in solid condition for its age. It has approximately 60,000 miles on the engine and is powered by a 460 Ford F250 paired with an automatic C6 transmission that has been rebuilt and upgraded with a shift kit. Fuel is delivered through an Edelbrock Performer intake manifold and Edelbrock carburetor, enhancing overall performance. The truck also features a BM floor shifter and a durable Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 positraction gearing. Finished in blue with a black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup sits on upgraded wheels and tires, giving it a strong and confident stance. While there is some rust present at the front cab mounts, the body remains very straight overall, especially considering its age.